Welcome back. Today we're working on this 2009 Hyundai Elantra again, and we are putting the Bank 1 Sensor 1 oxygen sensor in. The codes I was getting on this was 2626 and 2251. I'll put an image on the screen showing what that is. It's pointing to Bank 1 Sensor 1. So I'm going to go ahead and pop the hood and I'll show you where we're going to be working. Before we get started too far, I'll explain a couple things. Bank 1, Sensor 1. If I remember right, Bank 1 is whatever side cylinder 1 is. If you have a V6, you've got Bank 1 and Bank 2. If you have a V8, you've got Bank 1, Bank 2. 4 cylinders, you only have one bank. So Bank 1 is going to be on your exhaust. Sensor 1 is going to be the first sensor you come to. And you typically have 2 sensors. So you would have Bank 1 Sensor 1 or Bank 1 Sensor 2. The codes that are showing up is Bank 1 Sensor 1. So that's why we're going to focus on this one. And I just want to show you, I ordered this from Amazon. It has both Bank 1 and Sensor 2. I'm sorry, Bank 1 Sensor 1 and Bank 1 Sensor 2. So we just want to compare, make sure we get the right one. They do have different plugs on them. This will be the one for Sensor 1, and I'll go ahead and show you the plug. I've already got this unplugged, and it plugs in to this plug right here. And all you have to do to remove this is push this tab and then pull this end out of there. And you can see the shape of this matches our new one right there. So now the difficult part is getting the actual oxygen sensor out of the exhaust manifold. With the heat cycles, these tend to seize in. I have sprayed PB Blast on it, but I have tried to break it loose, and we might end up resorting to heat, but I'm going to try and break this loose. I'm going to use a socket that is specially designed for oxygen sensors. And I've got a kit, and I'll put that in the description below. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and try and break this free. So you can see this socket kind of looks like a normal socket, but it's notched out for the wire. Yeah, there it was wanting to slip. Alright, so we're gonna maybe do the socket, and then this is a 1-inch impact socket. We'll see if we have any luck here. Might end up taking this air intake off. Alright, we got a little extra room now. So I'm going to put that on there, and I'm going to just get my impact. See if we can get it to break free. Hey, how about that? Okay, so we're going to compare the new and the old. Alright, and I couldn't tell you what a good one looks like versus a bad one, but we're gonna go ahead and put this in. Just kind of twisting this wire with it so it doesn't want to untwist on us. Okay, so there it's kind of tight. So now we can route it and plug it in. Alright, so that's the plug right there. We'll go ahead and plug it in. There's bank one sensor one replaced. If you have any questions about this installation, put them in the comments below. I'm gonna make a video on bank one sensor two. If you're interested in that, just wait till the end of this video and you'll be able to click on that. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this was helpful. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below and I'll see you on the next video.